In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are certain things, certain skills which are useful for the humans. There are certain other skills which are not only useful for the humans, rather, these are necessary for the humans. Useful, you can, if you learn it, it will benefit you, but if you don't learn, it will not be much different. Then there are necessary, mean कि we should learn it. We must learn it. Necessary. There are many useful skills, but there are fewer necessary things. There are certain other skills which are extremely necessary, extremely important. Now it is compulsory for each one of us, to know that, to learn it. Extremely important. Today we are going to talk about an extremely important skill. Extremely important skill. If we do learn, our life will become quite a successful and happy one. But if we fail to learn it, obviously we will suffer. And we might suffer a lot. What is this skill, by the way? Prior to naming it, let me say that overwhelming number of us are of the view that if at all you do get educated, you do get the education and you will automatically get this skill. I am of the view that education necessarily does help. It helps a lot in learning, gaining this skill. But every educated person does not possess this skill. And every uneducated person is not deprived of it. Some of the educated people, maybe half of the educated people, they could not learn this skill. While some of the uneducated people do learn this skill. What is that? This is decision making skill. Some of the educated people are found making the poor decisions. I'm not against the education. Education is important. Education is necessary. I have no doubt in it. I'm not trying to underestimate. I'm not trying to underestimate or underrate the importance of the education. Not at all. I cannot afford to do that. But simply let me say that every educated person is not a good decision maker at all. Some of the educated people make the poor decisions in their life. They do have to suffer and they make their life as an unsuccessful one and unhappy one. And contrary to that, some of the people are not educated at all, but they are good at making the good decisions. They might have got this, they rather definitely got that naturally. They did not know. They did not know that there is something which is called decision making. It is extremely important and it can be learned. It does improve and get polished with the education, but it can be learned learnt without education as well. They people, those uneducated people who are making the good decision, they did not know it. They did not know it yet. They automatically got it. But some of the people are lucky enough, they get it automatically, they get it naturally, while another some of the people, they are not so lucky, they fail to get it naturally. Not only that they fail to get it naturally, they were not so lucky to get the education as well, to get the good education as well. Now I am of the view that these people should know one thing, and the one thing is that it is the decision making and not the degrees. It is their decision making and not their degrees which are going to determine whether they are going to lead a happy life or an unhappy life, whether they are going to lead a successful life or an unsuccessful life. I do not minus the importance of the luck at all. I'm not against that. I'm not against the luck at all, because it is something we cannot deny. We cannot deny. But very next to that, to what extent Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this into the hands of his creature naming a human, to what extent Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this power to the human, and to what extent Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not grant this power to the human. There is a difference upon this thing. Now suppose that where we were born, in which family did we born, in which country, society we were born, whether we were born complete and normal baby, or we were born as a handicapped, as a blind, as a mentally retarded, these all things are out of our control. Not only this thing, whatever we did in our childhood, whatever happened during our childhood, we are absolutely out of this power. So this means that the luck is there. We cannot deny the importance of luck at all. But simultaneously, some of the responsibilities and some of the powers have been given to the human by its creator, by our creator. So I think those powers which have been gifted and granted to us by our creator, we need to know. We need to know it on the one hand, we need to polish, develop it on the other hand, and finally we need to make the best possible use of these powers. Do you agree? I am of the view that we should try to learn this skill. We should know, first of all, we should know that this is the decision making is a skill, and it is the most important skill ever. Nothing is as important as the skill of the decision making. Number one. Number two, it is a skill. It is not something which cannot be developed, which cannot be polished, or which cannot be acquired without the education. Education is good, it's rather necessary, it is very important, but still it does not ensure the ability to make the good decision. It does not ensure the it does not ensure the presence of the development, the polishing of the decision making skill. And now, if at all, unfortunately, somebody could not get educated, she should try to learn it. She should try to learn it, should try to know that this is the decision making which is by far the most important skill. Number two, it is easy to develop if somebody is educated, if somebody is getting the education. But if at all, unfortunately, if someone is not educated, still she can learn it, still she can polish it, still she can work upon it. I'm not going into the nitty-gritty, I'm not going into the detail of the decision making, at least during this videos. So at least I have put my point across that this is something which is very important. And it can be learnt, it can be learnt even without the education. It can be learnt even without being a college or university student. Thank you.